Today we are going to see an interesting topic, free coding club in India for beginners. So just click this codeclub.org, which comes in the first. So this website is developed by Raspberry Pi Foundation, UK registered charity. So this website is free to everyone. It is mostly developed for school going students and college students, and you can create a project in this very easily. So if anyone is interested, you can start a club or be a volunteer at a club. You can also teach other students in your school or college in India and or across country, so across the several countries. First I would like to say what is Code Club. So this Code Club was mainly designed for 9 to 13 years old, but I think it is essential for college students in India also. We work with a global community for volunteers, educators and partners to run free coding clubs. So what happens at a club? In this club session you can see how to create games, projects, animations, web pages using Scratch software, Python or HTML, CSS, and find more out about our projects. Let us see the projects here. So start a code club. If you wish to learn in this, they are going to teach animation in Scratch software. You can use this, and they are teaching module by module, which is very easy to learn, and in HTML, CSS also there, and Python. So in this they are teaching very slowly and step by step. It is easy to grasp. First let me open and show you one thing in Scratch. So in Scratch, what will I create? You can check. You can make interactive projects, animations and multiple level games. What do I need to know? The path is ideal for beginners. So it is Scratch is nothing but it is similar to C coding, but it is very easy to develop an animation game in that. What do I need? You need a desktop computer, laptop, mobile device or Raspberry Pi computer, and you can get the details in internet Scratch setup guide also. Just open through the account, email, Gmail account. So mentor information, you will explore 3 projects with a set of skills which provides step by step instructions, and 2 design projects and 1 invent project. In this 1 invent project you have to create a unique project that meets the project brief, and you will get quick quiz also. So your created project will be delivered to all the peoples in this website. So just make use of this codingclub.org. It will be very useful to each and everyone. In this club's Code Club and Coder Dojo is here. You can be a volunteer if you are well-versed programmer. So find a path. So physical computing. Just you can interact with other people through this codeclub.org. Just log in and make use of this Code Club Raspberry Pi Foundation. I hope you like this video. If you like, please do subscribe and share this video to your friends.